Greetings to you all. Welcome to Rainbow of Verses, Part 2. We are going to introduce the poets and their poems from the anthology Rainbow of Verses, an anthology of contemporary creative writers. Moving on to the poet Mrs. Premalata, postgraduate assistant working in Tiruvika Corporation Higher Secondary School, Madurai. She is working as a teacher since 1995. She is a state level resource person for 11th and 12th standard in preparing textbook for new syllabus. MLM was prepared by her team for 12th English. Her poems are Loser versus Lover and The Morning is Good When. Our next poet is Mrs. B. Deepa, graduate teacher working in Government High School, Arakonam, Ranipet district. She likes poetry, so she uses this golden opportunity created by creative writers. She is an Indian writer and a member of creative writers. She is much interested in linguistics. She always believes that God is good all the time. She loves nature, likes music. She is a sky watcher. She likes this God-given gift. Her poems are Dear Indian Soldiers and When My Thoughts Are Active. Our next poet is Mrs. Uma Devi R.K., graduate teacher working in Panchayat Union Middle School, Erode. She is working as an English teacher for the past 9 years in a middle school. She is a budding poetess. Her vision is to create many poems as much as possible and motivate her students to do so. Her poems are Night That Long for Dawn and My Dad. Moving on to Mrs. T. Thavari Silvi, graduate teacher. She has been teaching for more than 25 years for remote village children. She supports the poor and needy children to overcome the hurdles. She wrote some plays and contents for debates which has been executed at school platforms. Her poems are I Just Feel Like a Bird and Women Get Free from Compulsion. Our next poet is Sister Amala Mary, graduate teacher maths, working in St. Mary's Girls Higher Secondary Schools, the Nilgiris. She experienced the call with God in 1999. She joined the congregation of Franciscan Sisters of Presentation of Mary. The congregation manages home for children. It also runs many schools, hospitals for sick people, social activities programs, children counseling programs, and orphanages. She has taken vows of chastity, poverty, and obedience. Through her kindness, generosity, and unfailing commitment to her students' education, she sought to lead them to a life of devotion to Christ. Her prayer is, give me the strength to be ever the light of their lives, so that lead them at the last to you. She loves to read books. She is a bloomer of the creative writers group. Her poems are Lover versus Loser and Morning is Good When. Our next poet is Mrs. Sulochana K., graduate teacher working in Virdachalam, Kadalur. Her poems are It is When I Walked Away From You, I Found That, and Real Charity. Next, Mrs. Akalya M., graduate teacher working in Panchayat Union Middle School, Coimbatore. a novice in writing poems, inspired by Creative Writers Group, started writing simple poems. Akalya has been working as a teacher in English since 1990. She has been serving as a teacher for primary and upper primary students. At present, she is working in Coimbatore district. Her poems are Friendship and Father. Next, we are going to see Mrs. M. Saranya, graduate teacher in English, working in Salem. She loves to read both Tamil and English. She loves rain and traveling. She likes to read books. Inspired by Creative Writers Group, she started writing simple poetry. Her poems are Friendship and Tsunami. Our next member is Mrs. S. Suganya, graduate teacher English from Dindigul. She works as a teacher in English in Government High School in Dindigul district. She is a great lover of literature. She loves to read many books. She loves to write verses, and her greatest desire is to produce multiple works in literature. She is very passionate to improve the English language fluency of her students. Her poems are Freedom is Not About and True Love. Moving on to Mrs. S. Bharati, graduate teacher from Shankaran Street, Kadalur. She has more than 35 years of experience. She has great passion for reading and writing, especially stories for children. She has authored Samachir Kalvi Tamil Nadu State Board books and supplementary reading. Her mission is to help government school children attain command over English language. She was awarded Dr. Radhakrishnan Award by Devane Priya Kalai Mandram for her service in the field of education. She has written many poems in English and Tamil. She has acted as a resource person at district and state level many a time. Her poems are Lover versus Loser and Nation's Pride. Our next poet is Mr. Shanmugasundaram G, graduate teacher from Erode. He is interested in poetry, speech and reading books. He is the finalist in Vijay TV Tamil Pechu Engal Moochu contest. He spoke with almost all the famous judges of Tamil Patrimandram. He won many prizes in Tamil lyrics contest. His poems are When You Walked Away From Me and If Your Steps Are Followed by Your Eyes. Next, we are moving on to Mrs. Suchita Suresh. Suchi loves reading books and writing poems. She plays indoor games and tries different types of dishes. She has completed BE in St. Joseph Institute of Technology and placed in Infosys. She is a girl who wants to live her life in a colorful way. She believes everything happens for a reason and every reason has its own solution. Instead of speaking directly to people, she preferred to convey her thoughts through words. She believed her words can help or cure someone who is literally struggling to survive in this cruel world. She enjoys playing shuttle. She is interested in sketching and got many prizes with her talent. Her poems are Reality Made Me Cry and Friendship. Our next poet is Mrs. V. Akila, PG assistant working in SSN Government Higher Secondary School, Virudunagar. She did her masters in maths and English and master of philosophy. She began her career as a BT teacher of maths and got promotion as PG English. She is having 16 years of teaching experience. She and the students proved their talents by bringing centum result in academics. She always shows her interest towards her oratorical competitions and essay writing. Her passion is to learn new concepts through writing poem. Though writing poem is new to her, she started writing it to develop herself and her skills. Her poems are When My Thoughts Are Active and Freedom Is Not About. Next, we are moving on to Mrs. T. Manimegalai, graduate teacher working in Government Higher Secondary School, Sivagangai. Her native is Melur, Madurai. Both her parents are retired teacher. She has been winning several prizes in elocution, drawing, essay, writing verses, etc. from her school days. She has completed BA, MA, MPhil, distinction and rank holder in English literature at Lady Dock College. She was a cultural secretary of Lady Wellington Institute of Advanced Study in Education. While doing BEd, she cleared TET exam and has been working as graduate teacher since 2012. She cleared UGC NET exam. She is interested in writing both Tamil and English verses. Her collection of Tamil poem entitled En Uruvakam is published. Her aim is to do something good to society through her writings. Her poems are Dear Indian Soldiers, Behind the Scenes. Next poet is D.K. Vijayalakshmi Ramesh, graduate teacher working in Rasapete, Kadalur. Her qualifications are MA, B.Ed. She entered into government service in 2009. She is calm, empathetic and hardworking in nature. She is fond of traveling and a lover of nature. She loves her students and she achieved 100% result in SSLC examination for 7 consecutive years. Reading stories, drawing rangolis, playing with the children are her hobbies. Now she has turned into a poetess through the Creative Writers Group. Her poems are If You Forget Me and Hope of a Rag Picker. Our next poetess, B. Nithya, working as English graduate teacher in Government Higher Secondary School, Gobichittipalayam Block, Erode District. Finished DTED 2. Her hobbies are singing, artistic activities, walking, playing shuttle and wrangling with her daughter. She likes to be so active and busy as B. She dislikes the laziness and idleness. She is so proud to be a teacher. She is passionate about teaching grammar. She loves to be in the classroom with the blooming buds. She has been giving the 100% result in English SSLC public examination consecutively for 10 years in metric and government school. She is a bloomer in creative writers. Her poems are My Life Lights Up When and I Wake Up with Hope. Our next poetess, Mrs. S. Anuradha, graduate teacher working in Dharmapuri district. She has the qualifications of MA, B.Ed, MPhil. She is a budding poet with imagination and creativity. She is an amateur in uploading videos in YouTube. She has done videos with the students' activities. She likes to publish a book of her poems. It will happen. She is interested in listening FM. She has also done an interview regarding culture of India. She likes to speak in FM. It makes her happy. When others hear her voice, she dreams to get appreciation from famous personality that makes her further happy and become proud of her. Her poems are How I Met You and Emotional Genius. Our next poetess, Mrs. Alice Jnana Tanga Pushpa, graduate teacher in English, working in Ramanathapuram. In 2008, February, she got government job by God's grace. Till today, she is rendering her service to school. Her hobby is reading novels, writing simple poems and short stories. Her motherly love and care towards her kids makes the students approach her as a friend and a mother. Her own kids felt jealous. She is God-fearing and hard-working person. She felt happy by making her kids to read, write and speak in English better. Achieving centum in public exam is her sole aim. And her poems are Immunity and If You Are Feeling Lonely. Our next poet is Princely Joan Y, graduate teacher English working in Panchayat Union Middle School, Ranipet. She has completed her teacher education in Diet, Ranipet, and she has 20 years of teaching experience. She is a passionate reader and a writer. She has written hundreds of poems both in English and Tamil. A few of her poems were published in school magazine and an article was published Hindu Tamil Weekly. 5 of her most expressive poems were published in an anthology called Cascade of Poetry. Her poems are The Person I Admire Most and An Invisible Foundation. Our next poet is Mr. A.R. Dakshinamurthy, having the qualifications of MA, B.Ed, DTEd, a graduate teacher working in Government High School, Krishnagiri district. He is an innovative teacher who chisels students with lots of creative skills to develop the technology-oriented education. He started a YouTube channel in the name of Wings of Fire A.R. Dakshinamurthy, especially for slow bloomers. He loves to write creative poems in different ways, and also in each of his work there will be a social responsibility. He also ignites the language skills and motivates them to write poem creatively and guides them in all aspects. He follows this motto: everything is possible when we do it with passion. And he focuses on the side of positivity and keeps the students in the mode of positive vibes. His poems are Promise and A Little Hope. Our next poet is Mrs. G. Sujata, graduate teacher working in Kandarakotai, Kadalur. She started her teaching profession in 1998. Native of Chennai, worked as a teacher at CBSE school, Perambur, Chennai. In 2008, she joined State Government School, handling 9th and 10th standard, producing 100% result in the board examinations. She got awards also, and her poems are School and Loneliness. Our next poet is Mrs. P. Prema, graduate teacher from Coimbatore. She is working as a teacher for the past 15 years. She started her career as a teacher in the year 2004. Her qualifications are MA, B.Ed. She is handling English subject for the upper primary classes. She is very punctual, kind, helpful. She is very much interested in singing, telling stories, playing games like carom and chess. Her hobby is reading books. She believes that God will make a way. Her poems are Success and Happy Moments. Our next poetess, Mrs. Padma Jayanti, working in Government Higher Secondary School, Ramnad. Her love towards English language started when she was studying in college. Her hobby is playing throw ball. She started her career as a teaching assistant in National Academy, Ramnad. Later, her job continued in Alangulam Government School. Her thirst for teaching was poured on teacher's side too. As a resource person, she usually spends a lot of time in polishing her students' talents and also in improving their spoken English skill. Her ultimate goal is to show the path of success for many students as she can and to enjoy the sweetness of victory like her. Her poems are happiness and role model. Our next poet is Mrs. D. M. Dhanalakshmi, graduate teacher from Belur. She is very eager to learn new technologies and update her knowledge. As per her interest, she has participated in language trainings in different places in Tamil Nadu and completed CELT at RIESI, Bangalore. She has worked as a resource person in many in-service trainings. Recently, she has attended CCRT training in Udaipur, Rajasthan. Her hobbies are reading books and collecting quotes from it. She is a good choreographer in her school cultural programs and a little interest in cooking and singing songs and sports. She is the NGC coordinator in her school. Her poems are Fire Tragedy, Kumbakonam Fire Tragedy, and it is when I walked away from you that I found our next poetess, Mrs. M. Kritika, graduate teacher working in Government Higher Secondary School in Erode. She has been working as a teacher. Her educational qualifications are DTET, MA, MPhil, B.Ed and PGDCA. In her school days, she got 100% attendance award for a decade. She received proficiency award for 5 years in her upper primary and high school level. She won the first prize in essay competition at the district level. She won Institutional Kalpana Chawla Award in Diet Perundurai. She loves to play the piano. She is good at basketball and throwball. She is an authentic and amicable person always. At her age of 20, she has started her passionate career in the matriculation school. Her poems are I Feel Free When and Lover versus Loser. Remaining we'll see in the next episode. Thank you.